But now we are here in Nepal, in Mahabharat mountain, in Tunkarka, and this mountain 2,950 meters high. Yes, and I am here with my friend Kamal Nepal, who is filming now, and Kamal has a very nice farm down there, organic farm with homestay. And today morning from his farm we are walking now up to 3 hours. 3 hours walking, and now we have a very good view to all Himalaya. All Himalaya. There is Mount Everest there. All Himalaya. And here is so nice nature. So many trees, so many pine trees and different flowers. And we are only 45 kilometers from Kathmandu, very close to Kathmandu. We have this big mountain, and we can see north side there, mountain side, and South Nepal there. There is everything is flat, but there now some sound. And there is silence, no noise, everything very peaceful. Yes, Shanti, Shanti.
Thank you. What is your profession?